Hello and welcome back if you're a returning viewer to the channel. WB here, and in this video what I want to do is show you how you can create and deploy attack surface reduction policies inside of Microsoft Intune. As always, I ask you, if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, like, share, comments are always welcome, and check out the description below for the link to our community Discord server so that we can continue this discussion. What do you say, everybody? Let's go ahead. It's time. Let's dive in. Hello everyone, here we are on my Windows desktop, and I'm logged into the Intune Admin Center, and if we want to create an attack surface reduction policy, we're going to navigate to Endpoint Security. Under Endpoint Security, we're going to scroll down if need be. Under Manage, you'll see the attack surface reduction. We're going to select this, and then under Policies, we're going to choose Create Policy. And we've got one of two options for our platform. If we're doing co-management with Configuration Manager, we can choose this option. I'm going to choose Windows because I'm using Intune, and we're going to choose the down option, and we've got our various profile types here. Now I'm going to go ahead and choose an attack surface reduction rule. And you can see some additional information here. Keep in mind, each one that you choose has its own set of configuration parameters. I would just be aware of that ahead of time. Again, I'm going to choose ASR rules, choose create. And that takes us into our basics, walkthrough here. So I'm going to go ahead and call this West US. We'll call it ASR. Maybe I call it policy -01, and we choose next. And we got a variety of settings that we can configure here under our ASR rules. Keep in mind that if you want to learn a little bit more about each one of these individually, I encourage you to. You can just choose these little exclamation points, and it gives you a basic description and a hyperlink that you can utilize if you want to navigate out to some Microsoft documentation. It's one of the things I really like about this interface. So for instance, if we want to block the execution of potentially obfuscated scripts, we can choose block. Keep in mind, audit allows you to view the potential impact without actually enforcing the policy. If you turn block on, it will do exactly that. It will block the device based on any of the action, I should say, based on these rules, right? So I might choose block. And we can see those exclusions right here. And if we scroll down, there's also some exclusions that you can do down here at the bottom, as well as enabling controlled folder access. After you've defined your settings, you choose Next. And if you want to use scope tags, you can use some scope tags if you want to delegate administrative privileges over this policy. I'm going to choose Next, and then we have assignments. This is where we assign this policy to our groups. So I'll choose Windows devices here, and keep in mind the target type could be inclusions or exclusions, and we could do profile filtering, right? So profile targeting, I guess I should say, with assignment filters right here. And once that's done, we choose Next, and here is our review screen. And this is the ability, gives us the ability to see all of the selections we've made based on and the configurations there. And if we need to, we can go back and make changes. All right, with that, I'm going to go ahead and save this. It's going to create the policy. It'll save the assignment. And now we have our West US ASR policy. I should have a dash in between there, so that is going to bug me, which is why we can manage the policy after the fact just by selecting it. Keep in mind we can view the device user check-in status over time, depending on the settings in the policy. We could see a report as well as device assignment status. Based on the settings, it'd take about 20 minutes for the settings and status across your company to populate here. We could see that as well too. And then we have the properties that we can modify. And I'm going to go ahead and modify the properties because I type so well. Those of you that have seen my other videos know that's not true. And I'm going to go ahead and choose Next, validate that the changes are appropriate. I've made the appropriate change, choose Save. And if I back out to Endpoint Security, Attack Surface Reduction Policies, under Attack Surface Reduction Policies themselves, we'll choose a refresh here. And now I can see that I've modified the policy. There you have it, everybody. Easy way to create an ASR and deploy it inside of Microsoft Intune. As always, I ask you, if you like what you see here, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Click the notification button so you're aware of all the episodes that are coming out. Remember to like, share. Comments are always welcome. Check out the description for the link to our community Discord server so we can continue this discussion. Thank you so much for watching.